The question of whether ancient India possessed advanced technology is a subject of intense debate. To answer it, we must first define what we mean by advanced. The debate splits into two categories. On one side, we have verifiable achievements in metallurgy and mathematics that demonstrate clear ingenuity. On the other, we find speculative claims often derived from cultural allegories or myths, like ancient flight or electricity. To understand this topic, we must carefully distinguish between documented historical facts and the imaginative cultural allegories of the past. The Delhi Iron Pillar stands as a profound testament to ancient Indian metallurgy. Constructed in the 4th century, this massive structure has remained standing for over 1,600 years, largely untouched by the rust that typically destroys iron. The secret lies in its composition. Ancient metallurgists incorporated high levels of phosphorus, which, through a unique forging process, allowed a dense passive film called mesowite to form over the surface. This layer effectively seals the iron from the atmosphere, providing a durable defense against oxidation. The Indus Valley civilization, particularly Mohenjo-Daro, showcased an advanced understanding of urban design through rigid, standardized grid layouts. Their construction relied on mass-produced bricks with precise, uniform ratios of 1 to 2 to 4, enabling structural consistency across the entire city. Perhaps their most remarkable feat was the sophisticated subterranean drainage system, which carried wastewater out of the city, an early triumph of public health engineering. Indian mathematical foundations shaped the modern world. The evolution of the decimal system, showcased here, standardized how we represent quantity. Ancient mathematicians also crystallized the concept of zero, a vital precursor to all advanced arithmetic. The Sulba Sutras provided rigorous geometric rules for constructing Vedic altars. These texts demonstrate an advanced understanding of trigonometry and area, long before similar principles appeared elsewhere. Panini's Ashtadhyayi is arguably the earliest example of a formal language system. Its highly structured grammatical rules are now studied for their relationship to modern computing, serving as a bridge between ancient linguistics and modern algorithmic theory. As of 2026, the academic landscape has shifted. The Indian government has formally integrated Indian Knowledge Systems, or IKS, into national education, bridging historical scholarship with contemporary science. A primary initiative involves digitizing thousands of Sanskrit manuscripts. Using advanced AI, researchers are parsing and translating these archives at unprecedented speeds to uncover latent scientific and engineering protocols. The objective is clear: to identify hidden technological protocols that could provide fresh perspectives on modern scientific problems, reclaiming insights from the deep history of Indian intellectual tradition. In the study of ancient texts, we often encounter the term techno-mysticism. This describes the interpretation of allegorical stories as literal engineering. Texts like the Vaimanika Shastra are categorized by historians as cultural allegories, reflecting the high linguistic creativity and imaginative scope of their era, rather than literal blueprints for machinery. Vivid descriptions of flight represent ancient human aspirations and metaphorical wonder, similar to the fantastical vessels found in global epic traditions. By preserving these documents as literature, we honor the intellectual sophistication of the past without needing to misinterpret artistic expression as modern technology. We conclude our exploration with the duality of history, a framework for understanding the past. The duality of history balances respect for vital ancient contributions with a rigorous, evidence-based approach to inquiry. By analyzing untranslated manuscripts and physical evidence, we move beyond modern myth into genuine discovery. Studying these structures helps us see how ancient innovation shapes our modern world. History remains a work in progress.